IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Kumpiyansa ti Provincial Government of Ilocos Norte nga makatulong ti Pannakaipatakder ti sabalimanen nga renewable energy iti Currimao, Ilocos Norte. Dahil iti duwa nga solar power plant nga Naiwayat ti groundbreaking ceremony iti Kalabes nga agbalor dahito iti 24 billion peso project. Ti Astra Solar Power Project kit makapataod ti 142 gigawatt per hour. Idinto nga ti Opus Solar Energy Corporation kit makagenerate ti 416 megawatt clean energy. Kuna ni Governor Cecilia Araneta Marcos nagasa ti Ilocos Norte nga titikasto yung oportunidad para iti renewable energy development.
Today is really, I would say, a historical event, especially since it's the laying down of the time capsule. So I think it truly is a significant event in a sense that we have here all the aspects of government here. We also have a private sector here investing in the province, and we also have INEC to have that cooperation between the renewable energy generation and INEC. So I'm sure we will also be one of the firsts in the country to really foster net metering and that. So I am very glad and I'm happy that you are open to partnering with the solar energy like Vina.
Idol Dennis Alipio, Tatak IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.